You know our Vera? Aye, lives at number 14, next door to that man who keeps budgies. Well, she went to Darlington on a course. A course? I thought she was a typist at Arkwright's. She is, but they've got some new Adlers. What's an Adler? Sounds like a snake. They're typewriters. Apparently these new ones are different. Different how? Well, I don't rightly know, but she had to go on a course. 2 days, mind. 2 days? 2 days. So she stays in Crown. The hotel near to the station. Aye. That's posh. Were Arkwright's paying? Of course they were paying. She'd be in a B&B otherwise, with no breakfast. Anyway, in lounge. Lounge? Aye, lounge. There's a fella up from Birmingham selling shirts, and he takes a shine to our Vera. And, well, I don't like to say, but one thing led to another. You mean the other? Aye, the other. She had to make her bed look like someone had slept in it, because she didn't. Well, I'll go to the foot of our stairs. That's not all. This fancy man says he loves her. Never! What does her Bob think about all this? Well, she's hardly going to tell him now, is she? Come to think of it, no. How long have they been wed now? 25 years. Fancy that. I remember reception at club like it were last week. Our Michael fell off his moped on way home. Your Michael would have been about 2 then. It must have been a different wedding I was thinking of. Well, she's afeard he might come round here, selling his shirts, so she's scared to go to the co-op now. And Arkwrights have taken her Adler away, because she's no good on it. She's back on the Imperial now. That sounds like a soap. A soap opera, more like. What?